Hey guys, Bub Eeks here, East Mississippi Headhunters. I'm gonna go for a little walk today after work. It'll really be my first time back in the woods in a little while. I hadn't posted in a while. I was laid up in the hospital for 4 days with the infected spider bite or something. Had to get my leg cut open and full of antibiotics and all that. Anyway, I'm slowly getting back to it, and I'm gonna walk a dry creek bed today. Try to see what we can come up with. If I find anything, I'll get back at you. Show y'all a little bit of the terrain right here at this dry creek bed. A lot of rock. Last time I was over here, I had debitage all over the place. There's a piece of quartzite right there. Ain't nothing to it. Yeah, there's debitage everywhere, flakes. I think I found one broke point. I'm gonna walk this back in here. There's some quartzite right there. It's everywhere out in this area. If I find something, I'll get back to you. Alright guys, been walking, I don't know, about 30 minutes down this old dry creek bed. I just flipped something over, thought it was just a piece of quartzite. You can see this whole area full of quartzite right here. Well, I flipped it over. This is what we got. I mean, there's quartzite there, over there, down in that hole. I mean, little pieces everywhere, flakes everywhere. All right. Not bad. I'll get back with you if I find something. Hey guys, this is a big piece of quartzite right here. Look what we got up under it. Little ring neck. The joker's quick. We'll get back at you.